Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am NerfedRogues, obviously, and today we're going to talk about lights just for a minute, because for a while now I've been using this. Whoop, let's turn that off so you guys can see it. I've been using a desk lamp with a filter inside that I made myself as lighting for not only YouTube videos but also live streaming. That is absolute trash, just so you know. It is hard to work with. So today we're going to do an unboxing, and we picked up a light for about $35 after tax and, you know, all the stuff. The light is by Bauer. Pow. You guys can see it right here. So it's an 8-inch LED ring light. It's actually not too bad from what I've seen, and so we're gonna unbox it. Unboxing. So inside the box we've got a tripod, and it's got the actual little, you know, the little thing there. We'll get it situated here on the desk so we can start setting everything up. Stop. Okay, that's fine right there. It comes, okay, little box. Okay, what's in this little box? Here we go. Looks like a cell phone holder, another cell phone holder, this extendable mount thing here, and Bluetooth thing. I don't even fucking know what that is. Put all that back in the box because we just are going to use it for the light. Like, cell phone holder is cool and all, but we just need the light, really. That's what we're going for, is the light. We'll look at this stuff later. Just throw that box on the floor. Nobody cares about boxes anymore. Nobody cares about boxes anymore. It's dumb. Okay, look at this light. Okay, so it's all one piece apparently. There we go. Beautiful packaging on the light. On the light, it comes in this little bag. So we have the light. It just screws on here. It's I like that. That's nice. That's nice. So that is that way. Now we have to turn it counterclockwise. Aha. There we go. And then clockwise again locks it back in place. So I don't think we need it that high. Alright, boys. So there's that. Let's adjust this just a little. Oh, it's got another. Look at that. Okay. So we're going to adjust this down just a little bit. Let's put it. Fuck just opened up over here. Stop doing that. Stop doing that altogether. You're gonna go blind. I don't know, man. I can't. I'm gonna have to super glue that light back there on for sure. 100%. Okay, so it's got a nice long cable, and it is USB powered. So we're gonna stick this up behind the well, we'll plug it in first. All right. So now we've got the light plugged in. It's powered on. Let's motherfucker. That's bright. Let's turn that down a little bit. Whew, that was super bright. So it's got, I'm going to try and angle it for, told you. Yeah, I know you did. All right, so it's got this right here. It's got this color. It's got the light, like the 5600K. And it's got the really nice dark yellow. So I actually like that yellowish color. So when we set it back here, we'll figure out what's going on. All right. Yeah. So here we go. Let's turn up the brightness just a little bit. I don't know if I like that color specifically because it makes me look a little bit washed out. This color looks great though. That color looks super good. Seems green. Yeah, it did seem a little green. Maybe that's just color correction. So let's go look at color correction. Let's turn off color correction. There we go. So here's the 5600. The 5600, that is the 3500, and that is like 6K. So I actually like this one the best in that particular light. We don't need it that. King Cormix, what's going on, dude? We are unboxing a light right now currently. Actually, I think that's pretty good. And this is without any other lights in here. Yeah, so if we do this, and then open this, default, and then we do a little bit of just a little saturation. There we go. There we go. That actually looks really good. And the light's cable is long enough to where I can sit it right here. There we go. So now I don't have to have all these other lights. I can just have the one light to rule them all. One light to bind them. It is actually a ring, so that's pretty funny. Yeah, so you know, thanks for stopping by and watching me make a YouTube video on lights. Again, if you want to know what kind of lights they were, it is the Bauer 8-inch selfie ring light studio with 51-inch extendable tripod and phone holder. You are the creator.